Thank you for tuning in to another video. This is what we're going to make today. It's a little two-layer 23-inch circular artboard round. Came out really cool looking. So it's got some cells and lacing in it right there, and some aluminum bright on top. Came out really beautiful. All right, if you want to see how to make this one, stay tuned. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another resin art video. My name is Tyler Carroll and I will be your artist today. Okay, this is a 23-inch MDF round. It's a two-layer resin painting. The first layer is going to have some cells and lacing in it, a little bit of a torch and a tilt with some Iceland White and some kind of more of tent colors from Art Tree Creations. I'll go over all the colors in the video and stuff like that too, and I'll let you know what I put in each layer. And then, of course, we use some aluminum tape for the edges. You guys will see that in the video also. And then in the second layer on the video, I do a little bit of something with the aluminum bright, and I kind of use the tent and I control the size of the puddle. You guys will see that I kind of shrink it down, so pay real close attention in that part of the video. I kind of slow it down and I go in slow-mo a little bit for you guys, so you'll see that. Okay, just kind of want to go over some products too. The Iceland White from Art Tree Creations, it is available in a bigger size. I think this is, what's it say? 200 grams. So I can get these 200 gram sizes of Iceland White up here in America also if you guys want it. Just let me know. This stuff I purchased from Tam and Scott probably almost three years ago or so, and it has a super long shelf life. So this stuff's still real pasty, still real good. So it's a really good product. There's other products and stuff out there on the market. I don't want to mention any names, but they will go hard as a rock on you. And it's one of those things. So like, I don't want to mention any of those company names, but if you're going to spend your money and you're going to buy a product, I'd rather see you buy a product with a super long shelf life. That's one thing you can count on with Art Tree Creation products. Okay, some other stuff I've been up to. I've been making some coasters with some wood and stuff like that. I've been casting a little bit in the pressure pot. I'm gearing up to do some cutting boards and getting kind of excited about that stuff. If that's stuff you guys want to see, definitely leave some comments below. So that's what I'm going to be going to here in a little bit. I'll still be painting and doing other things, but we'll be doing some cutting boards and some woodworking stuff also. But yeah, that pressure pot, she's cool. So hardly, on the backside, hardly any bubbles at all. So I like that thing. And I just run it just with the compressor straight to at about 40, 45 PSI. And it's doing a great job getting all the bubbles out. I think this was Pro Marine Supply resin, and it came out almost, I don't know, just shy under like 3/4 of an inch. I think it's about 5/8. So it casts pretty thick. It's kind of cool. So, all right, let's get going on this painting. And yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm mixing up approximately 20 ounces of Pro Marine Supply resin. I mixed equal parts A and B for approximately 5 minutes. These are the colors today: Iceland White, Tropical Waters, Green Envy, and Cobalt Blue. That's all in the first layer. So, okay, I'm done mixing up the resin, and now I'm just mixing the tent colors in with the epoxy resin right now. I put them down and I just kind of mix them all together where I see where my eyes see fit, and that's kind of how I do it. And then I just, put some of the Iceland White down and do a torch and a tilt. So that method's been working pretty good for me, and you can see the cells, form and everything like that. I zoom in on them a little bit. And all you're really doing is heating the resin up and stretching it a little bit, and then waiting for the pigment to kind of become like a noodle. And you can, stretch it, just ever so far and get all the cells to form like that. So, okay, here you go. You can watch that, and then I'll come in on the second layer. So, here we go. Okay, on the second layer, all we use is tropical waters and aluminum bright. So here I am mixing up another 20 ounces of Pro Marine Supply resin. This was a few days later, so it's past, you know, the 24-hour rule. So I did scuff the painting up a little bit with like 400 grit. And I have a lot of paintings like with the white cells and stuff like that in this. So I'm just like, well, let's tin over them and see kind of like what it looks like. So, and I'm glad I did, because I really like the way that tropical waters kind of makes that, you know, the white turn blue like that. It makes it look, you know, it's just, I don't know, it just kind of glows, you know, and that's what I like about it. So, okay, all right, I'll let you watch me shrink this puddle here and, you know, work with some of this aluminum bright in here also. Now, that's one of the metal powders that I offer at resincolors.com. So that'll be linked in the description too. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this one came out real pretty. I'm glad I tinted that second layer on there and then added the aluminum bright. So I really, really like the way that this one looks. I'll put some stills in here and then you can see all that. And then plus, remember, all these colors are available at resincolors.com. I'll have all the links in the description and everything. So, man, that thing's so awesome looking, and it looks so much better in person. Wish you guys could be here to see this stuff sometimes. So, and those cells and lacing on that first layer with that white, oh, they're so awesome. So, and I love the way it kind of makes it glow, you know. Okay, cool. All right. Well, everybody, happy arting, and go out and make something beautiful. And if you made it to the end of the video, tell me a joke in the comments, and I'll be the first to answer any of your questions. And if you guys have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, thank you, everyone, and I will see you soon. Alrighty, take care. Bye-bye.